Memorandum submission to Honorable MLA Udharbond LSC Shri Rajdeep Goala. Subject: Memorandum for undertaking developmental works in 22 Manipuri villages under Udharbond Constituency. Respected Sir, we on behalf of the Rajdeep Goala Fans Club of Udharbond Manipuri, which actively participated in and extended its support during the Assam Legislative Assembly election campaign as part of the Fans Club team, respectfully submit this memorandum for your kind consideration and necessary action. The Fans Club has been actively working for the welfare, development, and overall betterment of the people residing in the 22 Manipuri villages under Udharbond Legislative Assembly constituency. Through various social welfare and public service activities, we have remained closely associated with the local people and have continuously endeavored to identify and address their basic needs and developmental requirements. We sincerely appreciate your leadership and commitment towards the development and progress of Udharbond LAC. In this regard, we humbly request your kind intervention for taking up the following developmental works in the respective villages localities. Number 1, to constitute a Manipuri cultural center cum multi-purpose hall at any appropriate place under Udharbond LAC to protect and preserve the rich Manipuri cultural heritage. Number 2, Kakmara village, construction of CC block road and art filling for approximately 1 kilometer from the residence of Rajeshwar Singha to the vicinity of Baharuddin Pharmacy at Modari Park. Number 2, Madhura village, construction of CC block road and art filling from the PWD road to Madhura Nayagram for approximately 1.5 kilometer. Madhurgram village, construction of CC block road and art filling at Madhurgram from Marwari Dhaba to the residence of Iboton Singha. Udharbond town, construction of a Shri Jagannath Deva Mandop near the existing Sri Hari Mandir at Durganagar Part 5 west of Udharbond Maninglekai of Surjababu Sharma. Maspara village, expansion of the existing lifeline bridge at Maspara Mamanglekai. Moinarbond village, construction of a Hari Mandir at Moinarbond on the land of Mayarani Sharma. Pangram village, construction of road and CC block from Gulab Singh's shop to the residence of Laisram Vidyapati Singha house. Seramkul village, construction of a Hari Mandir at Seramkul on the land of Nilo Sharma. Badripar village, construction of a mini PHE scheme at Badripar Part 3 and Part 4 Manipuri Bosti. Itkola town, art filling and construction of a boundary wall at the Assam Manipuri Kala Academy compound, Itkola Silchar. Malugram town, construction of a kitchen at the Radha Govinda Mandir compound, Malugram. Rangpur Part 4 town, construction of a 900 feet drainage system along with CC block work at Turai Borbuha lane by lane number 2 and 22 under ward number 4. Bahadurpur Chinglekai village, construction of CC block road from AND Ban to near PHE via Lakhimoni Sharma house. Rangpur Part 1 village, renovation and development of Pauna Club, Rangpur Part 1. Rangpur Part 2 village, construction of a community hall at Rangpur Part 2 on the land of Prem Kumar Singha. Gosaipur village, construction of a subway underpass beneath the railway line connecting Gosaipur Manipuri Bosti to Rangpur Manipuri Basti Road. Laukthai village, renovation and development of the Radha Krishna Mandir at Notun Doyapur, Laukthai Mathak Lekai. Kapitila village, construction of community hall at Kapitila near Chinkhai Rembi temple. Borbon village, construction of community hall. Bahadurgram village, construction of a cremation center ground at Bahadurgram Durganagar Part 2. Palarborn village, construction of a new building for the Rural Development Association Palarborn opposite Balaram High School Palarborn. Ranipur village, construction of CC block from Ranipur High School to NG Madhuchandra Singha house. We therefore earnestly request your good office to kindly consider the above mentioned demands and take necessary steps for their inclusion under suitable government schemes and or area development funds as may be permissible under the relevant rules and guidelines. These developmental works will greatly benefit the residents of the concerned villages and contribute significantly to improving road connectivity, drainage, sanitation, community infrastructure, religious and cultural facilities, and other essential public amenities. We shall remain grateful for your kind consideration and positive intervention in this matter. Yours faithfully, on behalf of the Rajdeep Goala Friends of Udharbond Constituency, Manipuri, M. Ravindra Singh, Chairman, L. Satyajit Singh, Convener. Thank you.